Discoveries of Muslim scientists in the scientific world. What are the discoveries of Muslim scientists in the scientific world? If the history of science is seriously analyzed, there are a lot of Muslim scientists and their inventions. Some famous personalities are mentioned below. The first camera in the world was invented by Ibn al-Haytham. Omar Khayyam was the world's first calendar maker. The process of making the patient unconscious prior to the operation is acceptable. Algebra was invented and introduced by Musa al-Khwarizmi. Muhammad invented shampoo in 1759. Ibn Sina was the first to explain the scientific causes of earthquakes. The use of magnesium oxide for dyeing cloth and leather and making glass is well known. Hand cleaning and steel making is recognized in Ibn Sina. Abul Qasim is Zarawi, known for the dental implant procedure. The method of straightening crooked teeth and removing decayed teeth was introduced by Abul Qasim al-Zarawi. Ibn Sina was the first to introduce the science of medicine to the world. A method of accurate measurement of gravity is known by Omar Khayyam. Abu al-Qasim al-Zarawi is a famous person who treated eye, nose, ear, and lip surgery. The 13th most popular instrument used for surgery is Abul Qasim al-Zarawi. The founder of numerology and modern mathematics is Yaqub al-Kindi. Jacob is the key to determining the correct amount of medication to be administered to the patient. It is Zakaria al-Razi who tells the world about the harmful effects of light on the eyes. The acceleration of the speed of light to the speed of sound is external. The Earth is external to the Earth, illuminating the world through the motions and properties of the moon and planets. The North Pole and the South Pole are external 7 ways of determining direction. Ibn Sina, who is known as the father of geology, is from Maghreb Wali Kisban. Hydrochloric acid, nitric acid, or phosphate cis. Ibn Sina is in creating and inventing chemicals. He is called Baba Kemia. Ibn Sina is the central role of the retina in the reflection of light, and vision is that of the retina. Nasiruddin Tusi is an exact determiner of planetary motion. All of them are Muslim scientists. And the teachers of all these scientists were also Muslims, whose name is Hazrat Imam Jafar Sadiq.